Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Barbara. I'm a US-based Cameroonian YouTuber, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use aloe vera for extreme hair growth on my daughter's hair. And I also use it to make like hair oil, which is really healthy for your scalp, keeps your hair really shiny and moisturized. So aloe vera contains something called like proteolytic enzymes, which repair dead cells on the skin. It also acts like a great conditioner and leaves your hair really shiny and smooth. You guys will see that later on in the video. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair really well. So y'all gonna see how I do that. So I'll just take you guys throughout the process. So I'm not gonna talk throughout the video. So let's just continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you find it helpful or interesting, and let me know if you've tried it before or if you are going to try this. You should try it. Take time. Aloe vera is really good for intake and also for your hair growth. It's good for your skin, it's good for intake. You can drink it, put it in water and drink it. It might be bitter, but it helps cleanse your system. So let's jump straight into the video. I'm not been rambling, but bear with me. So that's the gel I got from scraping it. Usually some people will like cut it and remove it in chunks, but I just use a knife to like just scrape the gel out of it. You all saw me doing that. So that's how I get the gel out of it, and I'm just gonna use that gel direct onto her hair. So all this leftover, this is what I'm gonna use to prepare the hair oil. And for the hair oil, I'm gonna show you guys the things I'm gonna be using. I need organic coconut oil, and I also need organic olive oil. So let's jump into it. Put a pan on the stove, put the stove to low heat, and I'm just gonna scoop, like, add some olive oil, and I'm also gonna add coconut oil. So just watch me do this because I'm not really good with voiceover.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me.
So she had this on for like 30 minutes while I was working on her sister, and I just took out the cap right now, and I'm just gonna like moisturize the hair again. We just run my fingers through it, and next I'm just gonna go with a detangle brush to help me detangle her hair. And after using the aloe vera gel, the hair is so soft, and it helps me detangle the hair really easy, no pain. She's just being distracted, but it doesn't hurt. Look at that. Look at how stretchy that is, and it defines the curls too, really good. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits.
Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
So guys, that's it for the video. What I did lastly was just go ahead and extract the oil, and I used that in moisturizing her hair. And I quickly did lastly I did like a 3-bond. I have that video on my channel, just something quick and easy on a toddler's hair. So it came out really cute. The oil works really good, and I've been using this. I just decided to come up here and share with you guys because that has done wonders on my kids' hair. Look at how moisturized that hair is. The strands of the hair, you can see really good. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.